very impressed with the technology and the degree of expertise that there is there. This is what we need when we have a major flood threat like we have in 2011. And I have told everyone, as I have before, we are so grateful to the Guard for doing this for the people of North Dakota. We have everyone with a lot more peace of mind than they would have if the Guard was not here.
I love this part. This is the third year. I think this flood fight is kind of what the Guard's all about, helping local communities, and I think this is the best part about being in the Guard, is taking care of people in the community that need us.